Hi friends, in this video we will see how to bulk insert CSV data into a SQL Server database table using a query. If you are dealing with large datasets in a CSV file, manually inserting records can be tedious and time consuming, right? But don't worry, SQL Server provides a powerful feature called bulk insert to make this process much easier. In this video, we will cover everything from creating a sample table to writing and running the bulk insert query. So let's get started. Before we start, you need to make sure you have set up three things like one, a CSV file with the data you want to insert, two, a SQL Server database where the data will be imported, and access to SQL Server Management Studio. So we have this CSV file which we want to import in our employee table. First we need a table to our database to hold the data from the CSV file. So let's create a table named employee. So we have a script to create employee table and we have columns employee ID, first name, last name, department and salary. Employee ID will be auto generated. Okay, we run this query to create the table. Okay, so we have a table. Save your CSV file to a location on the server where the SQL server can access it. For this example, I shall save my to this path. You need to make sure SQL Server has permission to read from this folder. Now let's write the bulk insert query to import data from the CSV file into our employees table. Okay, in the first line, we specify the target table where we want to import the data. This is the location of our file. With this clause allows us to define options for the bulk insert. Field terminator. This indicates that column in the CSV file are separated by commas. Then a row terminator specifies that each row in the file ends with a new line character. First row to actually it skips the first row in the CSV file, assuming it contains column headers. Now run this query and SQL Server will automatically insert the data into the table. So maybe it is expecting employee ID columns. So let's add employee ID column with some default value. We have inserted employee ID column with some default value. Okay, so data is imported successfully. Now we need to verify if data was inserted correctly. So let's run this query to verify it. This will display all the rows that were inserted. If everything looks good, congratulations, you have successfully imported CSV file into your SQL Server database. Thanks for watching.